Elevate student living at June Homes 10028 New York, the perfect abode for comfortable uni experience. Choose from a selection of chic ensuite and non-ensuite apartments and lavish studios, each thoughtfully designed for max convenience. Curl up in your cozy bed after a long day at college and binge watch to your heart's delight on the huge flat-screen TV. The hardwood floors add a touch of elegance while electric heating keeps it warm and toasty always. Whip up deliciousness in the sleek kitchen equipped with a fridge, microwave, oven, and dishwasher. The spacious closets fit all your belongings. And you can even get high-speed Wi-Fi for breezy FaceTimes back home. Store your wheels worry-free too with street parking. Enjoy campus proximity with Hunter College and Weill Cornell Medical College, just a short drive away. Get on the subway from 77th Street or catch a bus from 2 Avenue and East 84th Street and explore the city effortlessly. Hurry! Grab your spot at June Homes 10028 New York now with amberstudent.com.